Super quick video, let's put this together. So, all held together by KamSnaps. This is the folded wallet with a coin purse included. So, cut from one piece of faux and held together by KamSnaps. Now, I'm using extra long prong ones. These are size 20 and I'm using the hand tool because you can see it. But if you've got a table press, even better. That's one. There we go, I'll give it 2 squeezes. Okay, so we've got the larger hole on that one. I'm going to bring this across. 1, 2. There we go. Once again, we'll just use our so we'll do this end. Now I'm using a normal KamSnap on. Okay, so on to the last snap. Okay, so you've put all of your snaps on. We're just going to slip this in. We'll close it over. Now, what you can do is glue in behind just to hold. So you've got your pocket there. There we go. How cute is that?